Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add dynamic AI camera movement to your videos in CapCut. So to do that is pretty simple. Just open up CapCut, then tap on the video where you would like to apply this dynamic AI camera movement, and this long menu is going to appear on the bottom of the screen where you have to tap on camera tracking, then select the option on the left, AI movement, and the dynamic option is going to be the first one. You just have to tap on it, wait a few seconds until it applies it to your video, and then you are all set. This is your dynamic AI camera movement. You can obviously adjust it afterwards with all of these options. As you can see, you can make the scale of the movement larger or smaller, the rotation, and the distance as well. If this video was helpful for you, please consider sending a super thanks donation, and see you in the next one.